Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install and use Clang on Linux. So, in order to install Clang on Linux, you have to go into terminal. And what is a Clang? Clang is a compiler for C and C++, for example, and I will show you how to use it. So, in order to install Clang, you have to type in command sudo, and for the Ubuntu and Debian you have to use apt install, and right now Clang. It is very important to say that this part, apt install, can be different on the different distribution, because for example on Fedora you have to use dnf install, and on the different distribution you have to use different commands, so you have to check what distribution you are using and what command you have to use, but the ending Clang should be the same everywhere. So I will press enter and I will type in my password, and right now I have to wait a bit. As you can see, my Clang is installed, and now we can verify the installation by typing in Clang ---- version. As you can see, Clang version 18.1.3 is installed, and right now I will show you how to compile files. So it will be very easy. Example, first of all in C. So we will create a file hello.c, for example, and we will write a simple code. So include stdoh, and right now int main, and right now print f hello from Clang, for example, and I will close that and I will return 0. This is very easy code, just for the example. We can save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter, and Ctrl X. And as you can see, we have a hello.c file. How can we compile the program? We have to use Clang hello.c -o, and we have to give it basically a name. So for example, hello. As you can see, it worked. Inside the home section we have right now a hello file, and we can run it basically like a script. So hello./hello. As you can see, it is working. I didn't do a new line, so it is like combined, so I can make it like this. I can add a new line sign right there, so I will save that again. I will compile that again, and I will run it again. As you can see, right now it is in the new line, so everything is working fine. And right now I will show you how to compile a C++ code. So I will create nano hello 2 maybe .cpp, and in C++ of course we have to include iostream, and I will create a function, and we have to start with std because I didn't using, so like this, hello C++ maybe with Clang, like this. And right now we will add end line for the new line, like this. We have to return 0, and we can close the braces, and I can save that, exit. And how to compile a C++ code? We can use Clang, but with C, with plus and plus. So hello to.cpp -o and hello_cpp, like this. This name can be basically whatever you want. I just choose hello.cpp because it looks similar, so I will do it. And as you can see, if you did a mistake inside the code, it will give you an error. I did a mistake in the code because I did count instead of cout, so it is like this, but you can compile it again, and now it is working. And as you can see, you have a hello_cpp right there, so you can run it _cpp, enter, and hello C++ with Clang. Everything is working fine. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.